Hello, thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making roasted chicken with Asian flavors. Let's get started. Okay, here I have a freezer bag. I have a half a cup of soy sauce. Can you get that in there? And I have some water. You put some water in here just to rinse that out. Not quite all of that. I have some ginger that I've sliced, and I keep my ginger in the in the freezer, because if you keep it in the refrigerator it goes bad, and this just preserves it a little more. And I have about 4 nice sized cloves of garlic that I've smashed so that the flavors can come out, and I have some green onions, the white parts and the green parts, and we're going to put those in. Can you see? There we go. And this is a whole chicken, if I didn't say it, that I've just kind of cut in half. And I cut the back out, most of it anyway. Let's mix this up right quick. Well, I put about not quite half a cup of, not quite half a cup of water. Don't have to be so precise. And I'm just going to take this and get it in here. Look at here. This is going to give this chicken so much flavor. So much flavor. We like flavor, right? Let me clean this off. Spray this down with some bleach after I'm done. But right now we're going to make sure we get this all over this chicken. We're going to set it aside, and I'm going to let it marinate for about an hour. But like I always tell you, the longer the better. So if you have longer, let it marinate longer. But at least 1 hour. All right. Every now and again, just go in and just move it around to make sure that it's getting all over the chicken. Okay, it's been an hour. We're going to take it out of this bag. It smells so good too. You just do it like this. I have to use my hand. Yum, look at that. We're going in. Hold on, I'm going to rinse my hands off. I'm going to take a piece of foil and just lay it over top. My oven is already heated at 350. Not so tight. And we're going into the oven. Okay, I'm going to make a base. Something we're going to baste it with my tongue is twisted. After the first 30 minutes, we're going to go in and baste, and then every 20 minutes after that until done. Okay, so I have some oil. This is like 1/4 of a cup, and I use a mixture of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and vegetable oil. have 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Dark. Can you see that? Dark soy sauce. Go on in there. And I have some honey. I'm going to do about a couple tablespoons or so. Got to get that together. And I'm going to taste it. You can taste it. To make sure it tastes good to you. And it's good, but I need for it to be a little bit sweeter. Add maybe a couple more tablespoons. And that should do it. It's kind of nice and thick. Taste it. And by golly, I think we have it. Okay, we're going to do this every 20 minutes until it's done. Smells wonderful in here. Sure you can imagine. Okay, I'm going to lay this foil. I'm just going to lay it over the top. Just enough for it to stay. And we're going back in. Remember, every 20 minutes. And back in we're going to go, but this time I'm going to leave it uncovered. And this is my second time basting. Second time. It's been cooking about an hour and 20 minutes. I'm going to baste it one more time. Then I'm going to let it cook for another, maybe about 15 minutes. And we'll be done. We can taste a little. I'm going to turn it up to 375 for that last 15 minutes. Okay, that was the last 15 minutes. We're going to cut a few slices so that we can taste it. Ooh, hot. Look how juicy that is. Let me let you see up close. That meat is so juicy. See that? Cut another small piece. I want you to see it. Ooh, that's hot. I hope you can see that. It's nice and juicy. So juicy. Excuse me, I'm going to add. It has a little oil from the chicken. You can take some of the grease off or just have it like it is. And I'm not really hungry, guys. I'm going to taste a little bit. You already know what I'm going to say. Mmm. It's really good. Well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to pray. Remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap that bell if you haven't. Share with friends and family, and comment. I would love to hear from you. And until next time, eat well, be well, and be blessed. I love you. I really do. Later.